The Aadhar Project, a flagship of the UPA2, promises a unique identification number to every Indian citizen, on the back of which multiple applications in finance, insurance, health, labour and welfare services can be built. But the project now faces stiff opposition from one of the architects of the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, who feels that social welfare schemes should not be brought under the ambit of the UID project.
I am not at all against technology, and I'm not against IT. I'm not even against biometrics in all circumstances. I think that many of these technologies can be well used in many contexts, including possibly in NREGA. But I think that a rushed imposition of UID on NREGA would be very dangerous.
Two of the UPA's flagship programs, the Unique Identity Number and the Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, on a collision course. Right now, all that a person needs to ask for work under NREGA is to fill up a form and get the address verified at the village, say by a sarpanch. But now the government proposes to include the UID as a necessary condition. National Advisory Council member John Drez, one of the people behind the National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, says the unique identity number cannot be made mandatory to get work under NREGA.
The Ministry of Rural Development is initiating a new system which is going to cause even more chaos, because according to the UID, it may take 4 or 5 years for even half of the population to have a UID number. So how can the possession of a UID number be made a condition of eligibility for NREGA? I can't understand.
But others in the government, like the Planning Commission, say linking welfare schemes like NREGA to the UID is the way forward.
I think you have to recognize that the early years of this program have been beset by a large number of problems. One of them has arisen after we shifted to payments not in cash but through bank accounts.
At the moment, neither side is willing to climb down. The question is, will UPA 1's pet project, the NREGA, be derailed by UPA 2's flagship, the UID or the Aadhar program? Bureau Report, NDTV.